So now let's quickly go to our Wix website. So we have built our platform through Wix and using the power of Velo. We have completely leveraged the capacity that Velo provided us. A simple API call from simple API calls to adjusting tables dynamically. We just started exploring Wix over the weekend and we have fallen in love with it. Now let me quickly go take you over the platform and give you a small tour. So our platform is like any job posting platform with a twist. So here you can find roles for your next favorite series or a movie, be it the Romeo Juliet local drama that is happening in your next door neighbor, or a Friends season 11. Who wouldn't love that? Don't you, Mona? I think so. Or for Brooklyn Nine-Nine, come on, Jake Parata, I have to act with you. So, why don't you go take a list? Now let's quickly apply to our role. I want to be part in Friends. Who doesn't, right? So let me quickly enter my name and my last name. Of course, my email. How else are they going to contact me? Now, as you can see here, there is this line that tells me that I need to enact a particular line with an emotion. So there are a lot of things that could be said through emotions. A movie or a scene doesn't always involve audio. You just need facial expressions to act on. Charlie Chaplin has taught us better. So we wanted to use this as a very idea behind our model to analyze the video submissions that the actors present through our machine learning model to understand the array of emotions displayed by a user and provide a rating based on the intent that is provided and the line. So I have already pre-fetched a video that displays anger as an emotion, as you can clearly see here. So I'm going to quickly click this link, this MP4 link, and enter it into it. And as I submit, my job as an applicant is over. But for a job or a person who has put the job in, he needs to know how many applicants he has received and what is the status. Now you can see here that there are a lot of applicants and their emails and their emotions and the ratings. So what is this rating and how exactly it is calculated? Let me take you to my ML API. So we have built a Flask API and it uses OpenCV to analyze the videos and generate a score. And it is containerized using Docker and it's currently deployed on Azure. So let me give you a quick sample on what happens. So if you can see here, a typical request is linked and I'm calling a local API here since I want to show you how the process works in. But I'm also simultaneously going to call our hosted API. So you can try it too if you want. So let me quickly call my API from my shell. And as soon as I call, you can see I have already started a backend server and the processing will start taking place. It's waiting for a cloud call, but like what typically happens is that the video is split into an n number of frames. As you can see for this typical video, there's around 493 frames. We analyze these frames and the emotions that are displayed in each individual frame. And we make our model, and our model tells us the array of emotions which have been displayed, and it gives them a certain rating based on how close it is to the expected intent. And as you can see here in the return, you can see that in the particular video, we have about 28 percentage, a 28 rating anger, disgust, and various emotions that the user provides. And this is exactly what we wanted to visualize. And this rating is what gets converted into the rating that we provide to our directors or production house. So this app is as simple as that. We have built this application over the weekend, but we have definitely trained this model in a very low data set, and we are hoping to expand this project into a much deeper and much better model as we go about building this project. And that is Hackers for you. And we are happy that we were able to build this over the weekend and hoping to know more about this project from you. So thank you.